How to use Uberconference on Android. In this video, I will show you how to install and sign up for an account on Uberconference. We will see how to join a conference call, how to create and how to schedule a meeting. If you stay until the end of the video, you will also find out an interesting fact about Uberconference. So let's get started. What is Uberconference and how to install it? Uberconference reinvents conference calling with web and smartphone interfaces that make it super easy to have a productive meeting. The app makes it easy to start and schedule conference call on the go. Create instant call with a click and schedule call by simply selecting contacts and choosing a meeting time. First of all, please note that you cannot install this app in all countries. You can use the web version of the app if you are in other countries. I have seen that works fine. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Google Play. So open Google Play. On the search above, write Uberconference. Now, tap on search. After we have found the app, just tap on install and wait. If you do not find the app, this means you cannot install it in your phone. You have now installed Uberconference app on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on open. Remember that Uberconference has two plans. A free plan that will allow you to host conference call up to 10 people, no longer than 45 minutes at one session. Also, there is a pro plan that costs $15 a month with 100 persons for a meeting no longer than 5 hours. Let's create an account on Uberconference. Tap on sign up. Here you can sign up with Google, Office 365 or simply write your email and password. We will select sign up with Google. Select your account. Tap Allow. Allow Uberconference to make and manage phone calls. Write your phone number and company name. Tap Done. You have now created a new account. Let's look a bit on the options we have on the app. You have the main options: to start a conference and join another call. Tap on the menu from the top. You will have here two buttons: Conferences and Settings. On Conferences, you will see the history and also the upcoming meetings. You can set up a scheduled meeting on the plus button from the top. Let's go now on the Settings options. Here you will be able to edit your profile and also set up new email and new phone numbers. On this section, Your Conferences, you can set up some options for your created conferences. On Options Notification, you can specify what notification you wish to receive on email and phone. Also, the last option is the Logout option. How to join a meeting in Uberconference on Android. You cannot join a meeting if you do not create an account or you are signed in the app, so please do this before. Tap on Join another call. You need to have the URL of the meeting you wish to join. Write the URL here on the top. Now tap Join Conference. Now select how you would like to participate in this conference. I will choose HD call. But you can also use the carrier call. Now you are connected to the meeting. On the meeting as a participant, you will have some options. At the bottom, you will have the option to set up the audio to speakers. This will allow you to hear much better and not to keep the phone at your ear. The next option is the chat. Here you will be able to send and receive messages. Button viewers will show you the list of the participants in the conference call. And, of course, the End Conference Call button. Now let's see how it looks when somebody does send you a text message. You will see the notification on the chat button. If you wish to mute yourself, tap on your name at this list. You will see a list of menus in the right part. Tap on the microphone and you will mute yourself. You can end the meeting by tapping the End Call button. How to create a conference call on Uberconference. Tap on Start Conference to create a new conference call. If you have a free account, you cannot send any invitation directly here. You can do that after the call is started. Tap on HD Call, but you can also choose Carrier Call. Because you are the person who created the meeting, you have some options that participants do not have. Now let's see the option for the conference call. First, tap on the top right icon. This will show you the info about the conference call. You will be able to share this info with the persons who you wish to invite to the meeting. After that, you will have on the bottom a handy button, Mute All. This button will mute all participants. At the bottom, you will have the option to set up the audio to speakers. This will allow you to hear much better and not to keep the phone at your ear. Also, you will have a chat option. Another option that you do not find it if you are a participant is located on the three dots menu from the bottom right. This will open a menu with the following options. Start Record will start the recording of the meeting in the cloud. Add Participant will allow you to add a new participant to the meeting. Viewer will show you the persons who are in the meeting. And Lock Conference will not allow another person to join the meeting if this is active. Now, let's start the record. Let's activate Lock Meeting and see what happens if somebody wants to join the conference call. You will get a notice to unlock the meeting if you wish to allow others to join. Now, let's see how the system behaves when somebody joins the conference. You do not get a notification, but you will see the new person on the list of participants. If you tap on that person, you will have three buttons. The social button will show you more info about the person. The microphone option will mute that person. And End Call will kick off the meeting this person. Please note on Android you cannot share the screen on Uberconference. For you to end the meeting, you can just tap on End Call. After the meeting has ended, you will get the cloud record of the meeting. Also, you will see the session you created on your History Meeting page. How to create a scheduled conference call on Uberconference. Tap on the three dots menu from the top left. Select Conferences. On this page, tap on the plus sign from the top. This will create a new scheduled conference call. Write a name for conference. This can help you manage your calendar better. You can add a participant if you want. You can also select a date and a time. Select also the duration of the meeting. For the recurring part, you will need a business account. Tap on Next. You can tap on Add to Calendar to get this added to your local calendar. Also, you can switch to call participants from the start automatically. This will require also a business account. Tap on Done. If you have not verified your email, just verify your account. Tap again Done. Now, the system will open your calendar app. Add your meeting to your calendar. Go back to the app. Here, tap on Upcoming. You will see your new meeting. Now, when the time is ready, just start the conference call. Please note that all the options are the same as the video about creating a new conference call. Interesting fact about Uberconference. The domain of the site for Uberconference was registered in 2011 with a year before the launch of the software, and after 16 years from when Uber.com was bought. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.